Welcome back to the channel. I'm Pete, and today we're going to restore some yellowed, faded headlights from this to this. So stick around. Today we're going to use the 3M Headlight Restoration System. I got this online from Amazon, and I will leave a link for the product in the description. Alright, we're going to start by masking off all the painted areas around the headlight. Careful to cover all the painted surfaces because you are using sandpaper on the headlight in order to remove all of the scratches that are in it. Okay, we're all set. We're ready to start sanding. We're going to start with 500 grit. The kit gives you 3 different sandpapers to use throughout the process, and we'll go over each one as we do them. Alright, so once you've cleaned the headlight and masked it off, you're ready to start sanding. You want to make sure that you hold the sandpaper or disc flat to the surface of the headlight. Use a little bit of water. In this case, I'm using detail spray. It doesn't really matter. Just some lubricant so the sanding process works better. Alright, once you've gone over the entire surface, you're going to want to wipe it clean. Make sure you haven't missed any spots. The lens is going to look cloudy. What you want to make sure is that it's even. So I've still got some spots that look shiny, so I got to make sure I got to go over those and make sure you get every surface. You can see this is a very, there's lots of surfaces on this headlight. Big flat surface, then a couple small little flat surfaces that you have to make sure you get everything. So go ahead, get it wet again. All right, I think we're ready to move on to the next grit of sanding. The next sanding pad is 800 grit. Looking good. It's getting less cloudy. Put on a new sanding disc. The kit gives you plenty of sanding discs. Just divide them up between the 2 headlights. Alright, again, that looks really even. You're going to think that you're making the headlight worse. In fact, you are. But with each sanding disc, you're going to make it better. And then finally, you're going to buff it out so it looks just like it did when it was new. You can see now the lens is almost clear. That looks good. I think we're ready for buffing now. So now we switch to the buffer. We're going to put about a dime size amount of compound on there. And we're going to rub that around on the lens before we start. Alright, let's wipe it down and see how it looks. Overall, it looks really good. Got some light scratches in the front we need to buff out. And that's going to do it. And finally, protect your lens with 3M Quick Headlight Clear Coat. I'll leave a link in the description below. And thanks for watching.